if you have something that does not go the way you plan, change it. You can always make beauty out of something that didn't turn out quite the way you planned, and I absolutely love this. It's taken me a while to get it done, but it's been worth it. I haven't put my chest in the edge of the canvas when I was blowing earlier, but it's all good. So I know the lighting does not show this exceptionally well. I turned off one of the lights so it wouldn't reflect, but it's just a Shelee Bloom garden. Why not? I like to do controlled swipes, so I just took this and used the Shelly Bloom technique, and when I didn't space them out right and it didn't go across the canvas the way I wanted it to, then I totally manipulate it. A little bit of my controlled swipes on this, as opposed to being dissatisfied with something that ultimately can be very beautiful. So my challenge to you is to not ever give up. You know, a lot of people will scrape it off and do it again. I really hate to do that. I really like to work with what I've got and try to make something out of it. I use the Deco Art straight out of the bottle with one of the screw-on tops, which is in my Amazon link below my video if you need to find that, and I'm loving it. I'm going to put a close-up video with my phone. Don't be disappointed in yourself. Don't feel like you've failed. Just keep working at it. And then if it doesn't go well, then you can scrape it, but usually you can salvage most pieces. Zoom in just a little closer with the camera and I'll get some good up close shots. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell in the bottom right to get notifications. Check out the links up above in the video, and I always have the dried picture at the end. It's always dry. I want the true results to show. And as always, everything is available for sale. You can find it on my Facebook page or on my website, sandralett.com. So thank you so much for watching, and please hang around for the next video. I'll see you next time. Hugs. Bye-bye. My version of the Shelee Bloom swipe, controlled swipe technique. Let's see if I can get in close to you can see that shimmer. All of it has shimmer in it.